Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to prepare your hair for a protective style, basically box braids, because that's what I'm going to be doing. And as you can see right now, my hair looks very crusty, very dry. I need to make sure that my hair is properly moisturized and healthy before I put them in this box braid. So I'm just going to be carrying you guys along to all the steps and what I do to my hair to prepare it for a protective style. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And if it's your first time here, welcome. We just want to give you a round of applause. Welcome to the family. So let's get into this video. The first step of my preparation is pre-poo, and I'll be using this African Pride pre-shampoo. It's the aloe and coconut water one. I have a video of me reviewing it. The first time I tried this, it was awesome. I love this product, so I'm going to be using this because it's fast, it's easy. Right now I don't have the patience to start making my own pre-poo, so I'm just going to use this. If you want to see the video of me pre-pooing my hair using, check out this link. You don't need to see me pre-shampooing. You already know what the step is. Watch that video. I'll be right back. So guys, I'm done detangling my hair and pre-pooing my hair, and like you saw that I used the African Pride pre-shampoo. I'm gonna leave this on my hair for 30 minutes, and for shampooing I'm using the Palmer's conditioning shampoo. I love this shampoo because it doesn't make my hair feel stripped. After shampooing my hair, I'm going to go next and I'll be deep conditioning. I'm using this African Pride. This is the Moroccan clay and shea butter detox soften heat activated mask, and I'll also be using the Mega Growth Deep Conditioner. I love this deep conditioner, so I'm mixing them together, and I'll be using a steaming cap as well, and that will be it for my wash. I've pre-pooed one, and then I've shampooed two, and after shampooing I'll be deep conditioning with these two with a heating cap. That is how I'm prepping my hair for my protective style. I just finished deep conditioning my hair. I just got out of the shower and I'm about to moisturize my hair. First, I'll be using this leave-in conditioner from Mega Growth, and also I'll be using this Shelby hair strengthening retention butter from Kinky Nigerian Curls as well. This one leaves your hair super moisturized for days, although it has the Shelby particles, but since my hair is going to be in box braids, it's not going to be showing. In the oil, I'll also be using the Shelby oil infused oil from Kinky Nigerian Curls as well. I'm just rubbing the butter on my hair. After applying the leave-in, I'm rubbing in the butter. Also from root to end. This leaves my hair super moisturized. This combination. That's why I'm using it. To seal in that butter, I'll be using the Shelby infused oil. And lastly, I'm going to detangle. It's important to detangle when you're doing a protective style, because you know when these people are doing your hair, they are going to comb your hair. Like, it's inevitable. Even when they're trying to cut the patterns and the lines for your hair, it hurts. So it's best you properly detangle your hair first before you just go to the salon, or whoever is doing your hair does your hair. You should detangle first, and as a natural, you should start from your ends. Starting from your ends, you're going to minimize shedding. So you start from your ends, and as your ends is combing out smoothly, you keep taking it up till you get to the roots of your hair. You see? So now this whole section is detangled, and my hair is still damp, plus the plus moisturizing my hair, it's giving the body some sort of slip. So that's why it's not breaking, it doesn't sound crunchy, because my hair is practically done. So guys, I'm done moisturizing my hair, And the final step is for me to stretch my hair. So there are different methods you can stretch your hair, and I'll tell you why it's important to stretch your hair prior to protective style. You can use heat to stretch your hair, or you can use like African threading, or you can cornrow your hair or flat twist your hair just to keep it stretched. Because when you're doing a protective style like box braids and your hair is very kinky and it's in its nappier state, the hair will be coming out of the box braid. I don't know if you get what I'm saying. You've seen it, like sometimes when naturals do box braids, your hair is already peeping through and it's not even up to 1 week. That's because your hair was kinky when you were doing your box braid. So it's best when your hair looks blow dried, so that when you're making the hair, it will be neater. That's why you stretch your hair. You don't have to do it. It's just like for the longevity of the style, I will suggest that you stretch your hair. So I'm not using heat and I'm not using thread because you know why? I'm tired. I'm tired because I just pre-shampooed, I deep conditioned, I moisturized. I'm tired. I can't start threading my hair. So I'm just gonna put my hair in 2 flat twists, and that's how I'm going to keep it stretched till tomorrow when I do my box braid. I'm going to show you guys a glimpse of that. So right now I'm just going to put my hair into 2 flat twists. On my edges, I'm going to apply this herbal miracle growth oil from Kinky Nigerian. I won't lie, this thing has been helping me regrow my edges. So before I start braiding, I'm just going to massage that into my hair. As you can see, before, this whole spot was like chopped up, but now it's growing back. So that's why I'm just applying the oil into my edges. I'm done doing my flat twist, and in order to maximize my stretching method, I'm going to take a bobby pin and I'm going to take one of the flat twists to the opposite end and clip it and clip it. So that's it. I've showed you guys everything that I do to prepare my hair, and tomorrow I'm just going to give you a glimpse. I'm doing the box braids tomorrow, so I'm just going to show you what the end result looks like. Well, basically this is what you gotta do to prepare your hair. You have to prepoo, you have to shampoo, basically a full wash day with lots of TLCs, with lots of good deep conditioners, the best of your shampoos, your moisturizing butters. The goal is to gain as much moisture as you can, strengthen your hair, replenish it. So that's it guys for this video. Make sure you like this video, share and subscribe. Till next time, bye guys.